emerged as the fastest growing segment, not only the livestock sector, but of the agriculture sector as a whole. Poultry keeping both on a small scale and large scale has flourished all over the world. Hatching of eggs refers to the production of baby chicks from eggs. In normal way, eggs are hatched by placing them under broody hens. Only 10 to 12 eggs can be put under one hen. This method hatching is unsatisfactory for large-scale production of baby chicks. As per FAO study, poultry consumption is rising by about 9% per year. Therefore, artificial methods are used for large productions of chicks. Incubators, which provide similar environment as that of broody hens but more efficiently, are used at present for hatching of eggs. The physical factors necessary for successful incubation are temperature, humidity, gaseous environment, and turning of eggs. Optimum and uniform temperature inside the incubator is very essential for obtaining satisfactory results. The temperature required is 99.5 degree to 100.5 degree Fahrenheit, that is 37.2 degrees Celsius to 37.8 degrees Celsius for forced draft type incubators and about 1 degree Fahrenheit higher for still air incubators. Egg takes about 21 days to hatch. The relative humidity should be around 60% during the first 18 days of incubation and 70% in the last 3 days for optimum hatchability. The eggs are candled from 5th to 7th days of incubation to remove infertile eggs and on 18th day to remove dead germs. Depending upon the passage of light through the eggs are classified as infertile when transparent, dead germ when translucent, and eggs with live embryos when opaque. Eggs with live embryos only are transferred to the hatcher. Fertile eggs are loaded into the incubator with broad end up. Hatchability decreases when eggs are placed in the incubator with narrow end up as the embryo develops with its head in a small end. Turning our eggs in the incubator improves hatchability. Eggs should be turned at least 4 times during a day when turning is done by hand. Modern incubators are provided with devices for automatic turning of eggs at least 8 times or more during 24 hours. In the egg trays, turn through an angle of 90 degrees. No turning is required after 18 days of incubation. Fermentation is usually done with formaldehyde gas using 40 milliliter of 40% commercial formalin and 20 grams of potassium permanganate for each 2.8 meter cube of space inside the incubator or hatcher. Poultry provides a continuous source of income. Poultry is not a seasonal industry but gives a good income throughout the year with minimum labor and expenditure. In comparison to other livestock, poultry farming requires less investment to start the farming on a commercial scale. Agricultural laborers, marginal and small farmers will profit adequately if they start this business on a small scale. The average investment on fixed capital and total cost of rearing 100 chicks to the point of lay works out to be rupees 30,000 only with the potential to earn rupees 20,000 per month. To summarize, if you make an investment of about 300,000 rupees one time, which includes your farm setup, chicks, food, employers, etc., there is a good opportunity to make about 200,000 per month.